So what does the future of Power BI and Microsoft Fabric look like in 2024? Well, I can certainly say my view is that the future is very, very bright indeed. If I go back in time to, say, 12 years ago, we had a real fractured set of offerings in the analytics space for Microsoft. There was SQL reporting services, DataZen, you had Performance Point, and a couple of other things. And at that 12 years ago, Power BI came to light. It is now the market leader for analytics in the world. And I think we're seeing the same thing with a data platform type of play. So 12 months ago, just as Fabric was being made available for preview, we had separate services in Azure where you rolled your own pieces together, the storing, the ingestion, the transformation, and the visualization, separate products. But now they've been brought together. And what's happened is there's now a unified vision. And this unified vision has seen the bringing together of all of those great products, simplifying immensely the tools and the approaches we have to bring analytics to light in organizations. So this whole evolution that Microsoft gone through has been, I think, a real game changer. And with this, I cannot think of any competitor at the moment that has end-to-end capabilities. Many come close with having few of those components, but not end-to-end like Microsoft has done now inside of Fabric. And the great news is, by doing this, it really helps empower analysts, engineers, and end users to be able to do more with data. And as this focus has been brought together, the innovation is going to continue to come through end to end in this product suite. We're seeing things like Data Activator, which is only in Fabric, as one of those new things. I'm sure there's more that will be coming down the line. And when you've got that type integration as a product, and then you integrate that with your day-to-day applications like Office and Teams and SharePoint, it provides a really rich experience for the modern information and knowledge workers. So absolutely, the future is bright with Microsoft Fabric and Power BI. And if you're considering what I should, assessing your options, I would encourage you to do not dismiss this. If you are on other platforms and you are finding it a bit long in the tooth, or it's time for a change, or you're struggling with issues or even cost, Fabric makes a real compelling story.